This is how you can start affiliate marketing business in 8 easy steps. First is choose your niche or your topic. Choose wisely because you will mostly create content about that niche. Choose something that you can talk about for hours. Step 2 is know your audience. You need to know who your audience is so you can market to them. Target a specific audience and their specific pain points inside your niche and you will succeed. Step 3, creating a promotional channel. The best promotional channel is your email list and your website. Everything else is out of your control. You need to have control over your promotional channels. Step 4 is to sign up for affiliate program in your niche. So find products in your niche and sign up for their affiliate program so you can get commissions. Step 5 is to publish a targeted content to your targeted audience on social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and similar. Write blog posts and drive all your traffic to your website and collect emails. When you get people on your email list, you can then promote your affiliate products through that email list. Of course, you can have direct links in your social media, but this is the best way to do it. Step 7 is generate traffic. So make as much content as you can and don't burn out. You need to make content. Or you can use paid ads, but it's more difficult at the beginning. And step 8, earn a commission. When somebody clicks on your link and buys something, you will earn a percentage of that. If you want more tips, don't forget to follow and get a free course in my bio.